Well, good morning. Today we're gonna be going to do a little pre-fish for a tournament tomorrow. It is January 18th, I believe. Pretty sure today's the 18th. Yep, today is the 18th. We got a fishing tournament tomorrow. It's a panfish tournament. We're probably gonna run some tip-ups today, just to see if we can catch some big pike. There is big pike in there. There's 40 inchers, so we're probably gonna give her a try for that, but tomorrow they won't even matter. So today it's just gonna be me and a buddy, Trevor. He's from Rochester, and we're gonna go drill probably close to 400 holes just to see if we can find some fish. I found some earlier this week, and I have a rumor that there's people sitting in the same spot I was fishing in, so that's why I never pre-fish for tournaments. Kind of sucks, but what do you do? So just waiting on him. He should be here any minute now, and then we're gonna head over there. And we have another buddy that has some insight on the lake, so we'll see if he can help us out as well. Well, buddy finally showed up. Finally here. He almost hit my curb. Well, we're finally on our way. I think we're only like 15 minutes late behind schedule.
It's 8:57.
Oh, we were 3 minutes ahead of schedule, so he wasn't late. Everybody, this is Trevor.
How's it going?
He says hi. Now we're on our way to
the hammerfish.
Just to hammer them, you know. Gotta rip the lip. We made it to the boat landing, so now we're gonna unload, get dressed, go start fishing. Got that striker ice. Gotta stay warm out there. One cool thing that Garmin came out with this year is the pan optics. There's a fish right there. And now he's gone. Oh, there's another one.
Through.
This unit is pretty slick. Well, there's a fish here.
This one is cool. I don't know what they are. Like crappies, I suppose.
I'm hoping big perch.
Little bluegills.
Oh my goodness. Well, we figured out what they are. Not what we're after at all. Well, perch population on the Mississippi River is phenomenal if you're getting these little guys. Well, it's time to move to a different hole because that's not going to do it. Oh, whatever these are, they're little too. And he took my bait. Gonna put on another panfish pursuer plastic. They got a really good smell to them, and they are way more durable than a wax worm. So that spot was a bust. Getting back in the truck.
Oh yeah.
Hopefully gonna make it up the hill.
Chevy 4-wheel drive.
4-wheel drive. Check them out.
350. That's wrong. There's one car there, eh?
Whatever you say, bud. But yeah, that lake was junk. We got a tournament there tomorrow, so we're gonna have to give her the good old hard send. And we're probably gonna end up dying if he continues to drive like this. But we got another buddy out in a different area. We got to walk across the channel, and it's a little sketchy, and he doesn't want to do it by himself. So we're gonna go meet up with him and go see if we can catch some fish. We got into the bay, and now the auger doesn't want to start.
No, the recoil just broke.
He just broke the recoil, so this is no good, guys.
Do you have a multi-tool on?
I do, actually. I have a multi-tool on me. Haha, we might be able to fix this.
I guess there's always that option too. Let's go find their holes. I have a handle on it in the car.
You want to walk across?
Definitely.
So in order to get into this bay, we had to walk across about an inch of ice. It was not safe, but now the recoil is broke. It is currently laying right there. Well, we're set up, we're fishing. Our auger is broke, but we found other holes that were already drilled, so we're just fishing in them. We've got a couple bluegills so far. I have yet to catch a fish today. It's going good, going good. Got a little tubby toad with a piece of waxy on it. Let's see if we can't finally catch a fish. Got the good old JT panfish snare. Go put that out. See if that can't catch a fish. Just gonna snare some waxies because we're bluegill fishing and we only have fathead minnows, so. There is literally still Copenhagen in this in this can. Oh, okay. Just making sure you knew. All right. Now let's set up. Let's see if it goes off. The snow outside is frightful. Oh yeah, update on life today. It's snowing in southeast Minnesota for the first time in about a month. Very uncommon occurrence this year. But it is not helping the fishing any. just making it worse. You guys agree? Yeah. Yep. There's one. Oh, just a little guy. That's just the way she goes sometimes, eh? Well, here's another little guy. Bluegill are pretty cool though. Their self-defense mechanism, try to eat me. Oh. No free meals here, buddy. Alright, maybe. Eat it! Eat it! Here's one. Oh, that's a nice kill. He's got a snowy mohawk. So today ended pretty badly. I think we caught a total of 10 fish all day, and none of them were big, and only one of them was in tournament grounds. So I don't think we're gonna do the tournament tomorrow at all. And yeah, it was tough. There's a snow system that came through, and it pushed all the fish everywhere, scattered everything, and it was terrible. I really don't know what to tell you guys. It's been tough lately. I think we're taking a trip up to northern Minnesota to fish for lake trout or walleye in the next couple weeks, so stay tuned.